Hello, welcome to Sam Squela. This time I'm going to teach you 4 easy steps to make your computer performance works more faster. Simply by permanently deleting all the cache or the junk files from your computer. It's either Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, or Windows 11. Make sure you watch the whole video because it will help your computer performance work more faster. But before that, I'm encouraging you to click subscribe button below. Let's proceed. First step, press Window key and R together. Then type temp and hit OK. A window folder will display for temp files. Again, if you saw a lot of files, just select them all. Press Ctrl A to select them all. Then press Shift Del in your keyboard to permanently delete all the files. Just hit yes. Then a window file will display. Just check the checkbox, then skip. Okay. As you can see, these files are not deleted because these files are using by our system. Okay, don't worry about that. So that is the first step, then close. Second step, again, press Windows key and R, then type the word prefetch, then hit OK. Then select all the files or the junk files by pressing Ctrl A, then press Shift Del in your keyboard to permanently delete all the files. Then hit the yes button, and again, check the checkbox and press skip. And don't worry about the remaining files because these files are running and using by our program. So that is the second step. And then the third step, again, press Window key and R and type asterisk, percent temp and percent. Then hit the OK button. And again, Control A, select all the files. Then again, press Shift Del to delete all the files. Then again, check the checkbox, then skip. So these files are not deleted because these files are using by our program. Then after this, going to close the window for the temp files of your profile. Then the last step, the fourth step, again, press Window key and R together, then type the word clean mgr, then hit the enter button. So the default settings, you must choose the local disk C because local disk C, this local disk C, all your files are stored in here. Then make sure you check all the boxes. You check all the box. As you can see, these files or these junk files are not that much. Okay, so after selecting all the checkbox, press the OK button, then permanently delete all the junk files or the cache files. Delete files. Enter. Then while we are waiting, I want you to click the like button and subscribe, and also the notification bell for you to have the latest updates of my tutorial. I hope you learn a lot for these 4 easy steps. Until next time, goodbye.